In this class we will make a cross-section of the model and we will project views with the command Viewproj, which creates one or more views projected from a design view of the existing model, created previously with the command Viewbase. Projected views inherit the scale and display the settings and alignment of the main view. You cannot use outdated or unresolved drawing views as main views. Open the available file and let's practice. We trigger Viewbase and position the main view. Watch. We trigger Viewproj, select the main view and direct the positioning of the next view to be inserted. Click to set the position of the view and press Enter to finish. See, we have the view projected from the main view that we created with the command Viewbase. Although when we launch the command Viewbase the projection of views is done automatically, in certain situations, we need to project one or more views again. In the sequence, we will create a cross-section in the main view, using the command ViewSection, which creates a cut view of a 3D model of AutoCAD or Inventor. Let's get to know the cutting options that the command offers. We have Full, which uses the full view for the cut. Half, where we specify half of the view for the cut. Offset, where we specify the clipping points of the model. Aligned, where we specify that the cut view is always aligned perpendicular to the first or last cut line. And From Object, where we specify an existing geometry in a view to be used as a cutting line. In all of these options, once the endpoint of the cropping line is specified, the preview of cut is associated with the cursor. Along with the alphabetical identifier of the cropping legend. For example, we will insert a cut with the option Full. On the command and option, we click on the main view. We specify a starting and ending point for the cut line by clicking on the graphical area. Click to set the location of the view section. We hit Enter to finish. See the result, we have the correctly presented cross-section, with its respective caption and scale identifier. We have seen in this class how to design views and create cuts from a main view of a three-dimensional model.